He didn't build an app, he didn't raise VC, and he definitely didn't growth hack. He cleaned daycares. Robert Nestor started Daycare Cleaning Services in 2001 and turned a hyper-niche idea into a regional operation serving major childcare chains with 95% account retention. Proof that boring businesses can be beautiful, especially when your postcards alone generate 1.5 meters in revenue. Yep, actual postcards. We'll show you how. Origin story. Back in 2001 in Marlton, NJ, Robert spots an unfilled need. Most janitorial firms treat schools like offices, but childcare centers need different procedures, chemicals, and standards. He launches DCCS to specialize, only early education environments. 2 years later, Mike DeVito joins, operations improve, and DCCS expands into charter and public schools. Headquarters move to Cherry Hill, and the footprint grows across NY, NJ, PA, DE. Regular janitorial rules don't cut it in rooms full of toddlers and snack time. DCCS builds a specialized, standardized program, OSHA-aware training, hygienic, green materials, state-of-the-art equipment, and frequent on-site supervision. In other words, clean like a hospital, bill like a small business. While competitors argued about hourly rates, DCCS sold peace of mind for parents, and directors noticed. PPE, color-coded microfiber, checklists, supervisor clipboards. Breakthrough Robert's early marketing department was him. Mailers, calls, repeat. Then he partners with Postcard Mania 2016 and goes consistent. 120 postcard drops totaling 325,000 pieces to a laser-targeted list of childcare centers. Designs feature real staff photos, QR to website, and irresistible offers, free clean, back-to-school special. Result, 1.5 million revenue attributed to mail. Some founders burn 1.5 million on ads. He made 1.5 million with paper rectangles, postcard stacks, every drop counts style montage, scanning QR, offer pop-ups. Business model and cred, DCCS serves top 10 childcare chains. Think Goddard, Tutor Time, Child Time, La Petite, The Learning Experience, and keeps them. 95% account retention. That doesn't happen by accident. It's process, training, inspections, and responsive owner-led management. In a category where churn kills profit, retention is the moat. Logos wall, site walkthrough, 95% retention badge. AI replication, playbook. Want to build your own niche facility service? Daycares, dental offices, yoga studios, pet clinics? Here's an AI-powered launch plan. 1. Idea and ICP or rank by buyer urgency and LTV. Claude or Sheets. Cluster city zips by childcare density. Scrape public directories. 2. Compliance and SOPs. ChatGPT draft. OSHA-aware cleaning SOPs for childcare. Daily, weekly, monthly, room by room. Classrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, nap mats. Notion AI. Convert SOPs into a training wiki with the checklists and quiz questions. 3. Pricing and proposal ChatGPT code interpreter. Build a pricing calculator. SQ, FT, frequency, add-ons. Canva. Pulse Magic design. Proposal deck with safety highlights, references, schedule. 4. Prospecting stack. DCS style, digital twist. Postcard workflow. Thanks.io or Lob for mail automation, plus QR to a landing page. Bardeen or Zapier. Auto-enrich targets, director names, emails, from Google Maps lists, drop into a CRM, HubSpot close. Instant demo video, Descript Plus, Pictory to make a 60-sec why specialized daycare cleaning matters, with subtitles. 5. Ops and QA Trello or ClickUp. Per-site checklists, open forms or Typeform, daily supervisor inspection forms, Power BI or Looker Studio, client dashboards, tasks completed, incident logs, pictures, Otter.ai, summarize kickoff calls into tasks. You don't need to reinvent DCCS. Just modernize the system with AI, automation, and relentless follow-up. 5. Digital and social marketing plays. 1. Director first, LinkedIn funnel. Build a local list of daycare directors. Connect with a value post, OSHA checklists for back to school. DM offer. 1 free sanitation audit. Plus same-day quote. Tools. LinkedIn Sales Navigator, plus Clay, plus Zapier. 2. Instagram Reels, 30-second clean. Fast before, or after. Glitter explosion craft table. Spotless room. Overlay germ facts. CTA. Scan to book a free demo clean. QR on screen. Tools. CapCut templates, Descript, Metricool Auto Schedule. 3 Google Local Services, plus review engine claim, and optimize GMB. Geofence campaigns around schools, push photo reviews from directors. Tools, gather up bird eye for request links, plus drip reminders. 4 Email drip after postcard hit postcard lands, exact buyer IP match or QR captures email. 5 email sequence, safety, SOPs, case study, offer, deadline. Tools, MailerLite, HubSpot with AI subject tester. 5 Webinar, back to school sanitation checklist, 20-minute Zoom plus PDF download, book audits. Tools, Canva Magic Design, Tally.so, registration plus auto calendar ICS. Mini SWAT strengths category expertise, purpose-built SOPs for childcare, plus OSHA awareness, proof of demand, 120 drops, 325K postcards, 1.5 importer revenue, repeatability, retention, moat, 95% account retention, stable revenue, referrals. Weaknesses, region concentration, NY or NJ PA DOE focus. Market shocks or school funding cycles can pinch. Labor intensity, supervision and training are essential. Scaling managers is the constraint. Opportunities adjacent verticals, pediatric clinics, enrichment centers, K-12 they already serve, with packaged SOPs. Tech differentiation, client portals, QA dashboards, live compliance logs, postcard plus digital everywhere campaigns. Threats commoditization, generalist cleaners undercut on price. Must defend with proof of outcomes. Attendance, parent NPS. Regulatory shifts, Koskia, GR supply, chemical rules or supply spikes press margins, need vendor hedging and alt product playbooks. Nestor didn't chase trends. He chose a painfully specific customer, built painfully specific processes, and then marketed consistently until the market called him back. That's how boring turns into bankable. If floor scrubbers can build $1 million pipeline, what's your boring business waiting for? Comment your niche below. Best idea gets a free mini playbook on how to win it with AI. Subscribe for the next Success from the Side.